Whether you just want to make some extra cash or you have a very passionate hobby that you want to turn into business, this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start your very own business as a teenager. And it doesn't matter how old you are, starting a business is possible, and I'll be sharing you all the tips on how to balance school, friends, and life. Number one, identifying your passion or business idea. The first thing you need to do is figure out what kind of business you want to start. Some questions to ask yourself would be, what am I good at? What do I enjoy doing? What can I turn into a product or service? It could be anything, like let's say making soaps and candles, a social media marketing company, or you could even offer tutoring in subjects that you excel at. Number two, do your research. You want to look at other businesses similar to yours to figure out who your competitors are and to see what's working for them and what's not. And don't forget to research the market and see if there's actually a demand for something that you're offering. You don't want to realize too late that 10 other people in your area are doing the same thing as you. And personally, I do have experience with this because I used to have a jewelry business and it didn't do as well because jewelry is a very big side hustle where I am. So there was like 10 other people at any of the fairs or local markets selling jewelry right next to me. So it made me seem a little less appealing and did not make me stand out or differentiate against my competitors. When researching, figure out who your audience is. Is it teens, adults, or family? Knowing who your customers are is key to having a successful business. Number three, create a business plan. Now, it doesn't have to be a 100 plan masterpiece unless it's what you want to spend days doing. A simple plan will do just fine. Just write down the basics. What is your product or service? How much will it cost? And how much money will you make? One video that I like that's a lot more in depth is this one right here. And I think it's called Business Plan Masterclass from Concept to Reality. I want to say that is an awesome video. And if you want to watch that, I'll have it linked in the description box below. Guys, so I'm actually in editing right now and I just got ChatGPT to help me write up this business plan. It's a little bit more in depth than the one that I showed right there. And if you want this to make your business plan writing a lot more easier, it's in the description box below. Now let's get back to the video. Number four, set up your business legally. I personally didn't need to do paperwork or anything like that, but depending on where you live, you might need a business license or permit. And don't forget that you may need to open a separate business account to separate your personal finances from your business finances. Number five, start small and scale. Don't try to do everything all at once. Focus on one product, get it right, and scale. As you gain more experience in customers, then you can slowly start to offer more products and services. Number six, market your business. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or even YouTube to show everybody what you're doing and what you offer. Also, word of mouth is a very powerful tool, so ask friends and family to help spread the word. 7. Manage your time wisely. Managing your time is crucial. You can't exactly tell your teacher, sorry, I didn't do my homework because I was off being the next big entrepreneur. I mean, you could, but let me know how that works for you because it didn't work for me. As a teen, you have school, extracurriculars, and business to manage, so it is important to manage your time well. Create a schedule that prioritizes both school and business and stick to it. It's all about finding that balance and staying consistent. Number 8, don't be afraid to fail. And if you fail, don't worry about it. Just consider it your first official badge as an entrepreneur. I mean, you're crushing it in a character building kind of way. But every entrepreneur experiences ups and downs. Your mistakes, analyze what you're not doing right or what isn't selling, and fix it. Failure is a part of the process, and each setback will teach you something new and help you become a better business owner. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide on how to start a business as a teenager. It is not easy, but with passion, determination, and a little bit of hustle, it is definitely accomplishable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and comment below what your business idea is. I would love to hear what you're working on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.